Hello there and welcome. My name is Yogesh Parsala and I want to show you how you can use Facebook automation or Facebook auto poster. So this is your back office of GDO and you just need to go to customer portal and then go to Facebook automation. Once you are here, you will be asked to add a new Facebook account, or if you have any more Facebook account, then they will be listed here. So let's click on new Facebook account. They will ask you to enter app ID and app secret key. That is your Facebook application ID and Facebook application secret key. So let me walk you through how you can get the Facebook app ID and app secret key. Go to your Facebook facebook.com and log in, and then go to this website developers.facebook.com. developers.facebook.com. Once you are here, I'm already logged in, but they will ask you to log in if you are not already logged in, and if you are registering here for the first time, then they will ask you to register, and registering is simply click a button. Then go to my apps. You might have some of the apps, or if you don't have any, then you can add a new app. And then go to website option, and choose a name. I will just write demo because of demonstration purpose. And create a new Facebook app ID. Then they will ask you which category, or is it the test version of another existing app, or is it a brand new app. Then if it is the new one, because it will be new one if you're doing this first time, then choose category. You can go for business or any relevant categories. I will do business and then create app ID. So here you go, you created your app. You can just skip the quick start option and you can just simply go to your list of your application, and it will be here demo. So it's here already demo. So this would be your application ID and this would be your app secret key. They will ask you to enter your password. Okay, and before you can take these two, you need to do some settings. In the settings, you need to put your app domain, so whichever domains that your application will be hosted, and at the moment it is on this domain, so you should be put this domain globaldigitalopportunities.com, and you probably find some specific instruction on this domain, because as time goes, these domains which you have to enter here might change. So you probably see any instruction below this video, but if you can't find any instruction, then you have to put globaldigitalopportunities.com, and then you have to put your email address. Right, you can put your any email address, and then add platform. Here again you have to choose website, and here you have to put the full URL of the website, and that is this. Okay, so that's it. Once you done this, these two things you will be provided instruction below this video. I'm saying it again, and if you can't find any instruction, then you have to put this. Otherwise you put whatever shown below this video. Once this done, click on save changes. Now go to status and review and click no, which is yes. And are you sure you want to make your app public? It will become available to everyone. Confirm. Now once this is done, the app will be public, and then now you can use the app ID and app secret. So these are two things, and you can just take it, copy and paste it here. Take this one and paste it here. Submit. They will ask you for authorization and everything. You just go for all this permission, because what happens is the application will post on your Facebook group, so they will ask you for the permission. Don't worry about these messages that if you see here any, simply press OK. And here make sure you do public, because you will be posting your advertisement public. So OK. Once you're given the advertisement, they will be redirected back to the website and the account will be added. So as you can see here, your account has been added here. So you will see here your Facebook accounts. Now you can add multiple accounts. You can add like 3, 4, 5, any account that you want to use. Now one thing to be clear in the mind, that any account that you add, it should have their own Facebook application ID and their secret. So you have to go to developers.facebook.com and create their app ID and app secret for all the email accounts, Facebook accounts. So once this is done, you can go on clicking on groups, because you want to add groups. You also can add pages, or you also can add your friends. So let's click on click here to add groups. Once you are here, you can just, there are two options. One, you can upload manually, or you can choose a file, upload a file. And there are 4 steps. 1, make sure you are logged into Facebook, the same account you want to use, the same account which is the you have added in the add Facebook account section, which is this one. So this is the Facebook account that I should be logged in at the time I'm doing this. Okay. Second, go to this FB bookmark page, click on that, then they will take you to this page. Then wait for a while, let it load, because if you have so many groups, then it will take some time to load. And once it is loaded, then save. And you have to save it as HTML only. So let's say, for example, I'm saying on the desktop Facebook, and not this one, but we want HTML web page, HTML only, and then save. Facebook 2. Okay, save. Once you have saved that file, then go back to the page that we were on, and then step 4 is choose upload desktop, and then go to Facebook 2, and then upload. It will take some time while it being uploaded, because if there are some larger size, then it will take some more time, and if it is smaller file size, then it will take less time respectively. So once the file has been uploaded, so as you can see here, all your groups has been added here. Okay, and don't worry about these kind of things, there is nothing to worry about it. So you uploaded 93 groups that you are part of. Alright, so this is this first step done. Now second step is creating campaign, and in the campaigns we will need the data to post in Facebook. So let's create the campaign, so you know which kind of data that you need. If you have any campaigns, then it will be shown here, but if you don't have any campaign, then you can create a new campaign. Creating campaign is just give a name, demo. Then you can create campaign for posting to groups, for the pages, your own wall, your friends wall. You know, you click on post to the groups, because that's what most people do. Then select your Facebook account. Make sure you do this the correct way, because otherwise there will be a lot of problems, because the groups that you will be posting you will not be part of. So make sure you are taking to the right account. Submit. And then this is the post detail. You have to enter your post detail. What kind of post that you want to do? You want to do text type of post, link type of post, which is clickable image. Then you want to just upload image post, or you just want to do video post. And this is the most popular, because for the advertiser marketers. And here you need to add the information that you want to put. Let's say, for example, these are the links and all kind of things. Now what we've done is we given a feature that you can save all this data so that you can use it later on with any other campaign that you will create. So we want this kind of data first. So let's go to what does it say? They don't have any saved links here. Please add one, post data menu, and post data menu is this saved post data. So if you can see here, it's quite simple GUI. One is Facebook account, which we done already, and this is the campaign where we create a campaign. This is saved post data and FAQ. So if you can go to the post data, then they will ask you to enter your details. Alright, so here you can add messages, and you can add multiple messages which you can use in the campaign. Let's say one is hello. Let me add one more. One is good morning. Alright, so these are two messages. You can add as many messages that you want to add. Then these are the links. For the just demonstration, I will just use here. You can use any affiliate link or any kind of links here. Then you can use link titles, link captions, link description, but those are optional. Then you can also add images. Now image one is you need to enter your image URL, and where you can get the image URL is you can go to globaldigitalopportunities.com/photobox. If you have your image URL, you can edit here. If you have your image URL, then you can edit here. But if you don't have any, if you have images in your computer and if you want to upload it, then you can upload it to our photo box, which is our public portal where people can upload their images and get their image URL. So here they can select the file to upload. Let's say, for example, I will add, see if I have any. Let me see if I want to add this and then upload. So we uploaded this image and it will be shown here. Then you just can click right and copy image URL. Or if you're using any Firefox or Safari or Internet Explorer, there may be some similar option like link locations or image location like that. So you have to just copy the URL of the image, and once you copied that, then you can paste it here and then press save. Once that's done, it will be shown here, the thumbnail, and then you can save as many images that you want and which you can use it later on in campaigns. Okay, you can use these link titles and everything, but in the link post we have just added message, link and image. So go right back to the campaign creation. So these are the link type of post that we want to do. You select your save links, then you select the messages. You can select multiple messages, and if you select multiple messages, then they will select messages randomly, and that is good. Then you select your images, and you here also, if you have any data, then they will be shown here as well. Once that is done, you can select all your groups. You have to select all your groups that you want to post to. You can exclude those you don't want to post to by unchecking or unselecting. If you want to post in all, just select all. Now this is scheduling, and this is very important, as you can choose here posting delay, and that is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. What is the delay between the post, between each post, you know? So the most favorable is over 2 minutes, and I usually go for 5 minutes. And because we have one feature here which says random posting, which says any time between 2 minutes to any time that we select here. So if it is, let's say it's 5 minutes, then any time between 2 to 5 they will choose random number and post randomly. So this is very much better way to do this randomization, and that is good for Facebook account. And here they will ask you what will happen when all posting done. Do you want to campaign start over and keep running until you disable, or you want to campaign end? And this one is also a very cool feature, that is 24 hours cooling off period. What happens is every 24 hours they stop posting for 2 hours, so that is really good for Facebook. And the last one is, do you want to make each posting message unique? And this is required, you have to do this. Now what is the condition? All the messages which is posted too often, that should be unique. And what we done is we put this small tag after each message which says this message, which is message unique ID, posted at this posting time. So this tag will be unique, so that's why the message will become unique. So highly recommended that you keep this checked on, or the condition is you add at least 30 unique messages. If you have unique 30 messages, then they'll pick messages randomly, so then it should be okay. But otherwise just keep it in, or you do keep it both. I mean, you can insert multiple messages at the same time. You can also keep this ticked on, so all your messages will be unique. Once all done, let me recap what you done. First, you feed the data depending on what kind of post that you want to do. If you want to do just text, then just message. But if it is link post, then you post all this data, feed all this data, right? Then targeting, which if these are the post, if these are pages, then you can select all your pages where you want to post. If it is groups, then you can put your groups. If it is your wall, then you put your own wall. Or if it is friends wall, then there will be a list of the friends where you want to post on. Once that done, just do scheduling, or just keep everything as default. You can just keep it here 5, because I usually keep 5 and it is good. And then create campaign, and campaign will start. See, it says campaign started successfully. Once that is done, you will be showing here that this campaign is started, which is this one, FB poster demo. This is the one we just started, this one, and it's keep running. That is it. And now you can go to your Facebook account and you can see that the messages are being posted. If you go to your activity log, then here you will be seeing that your messages are being posted. That is it. We completed how you can set up Facebook auto poster or Facebook automations tool. Thank you.